In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend a Tailscale device key and disable key expiry from the admin console. Let's start with why this matters. Tailscale uses device keys to securely identify each machine on your network. These keys can expire, which is great for security, but it can also interrupt connectivity if a device hasn't reauthenticated in time. When that happens, you'll see the device marked as expired in the admin console, and it won't connect until it renews its credentials. To get things back online quickly, open your Tailscale admin console and go to the Machines page. Find the device whose key has expired. You'll typically see an expired label next to it. Select that device and choose the Temporarily Extend Key option. This creates a 30-minute window that allows the device to reauthenticate. Think of this as a short grace period. The device still needs to re-log in, but you've given it permission to do so. Now, while that 30-minute window is active, go to the device itself. If you're on a terminal, run the command tailscale up, force reauth. This prompts the device to reauthenticate immediately. If you're using a graphical interface, you can re-log in from the Tailscale app instead. Make sure you have the right permissions on the device and that you're logged into the correct account. If the window closes before you finish, just return to the admin console and extend the key again. Then repeat the reauth on the device. Once reauthentication completes, the device will reconnect, and you should see it listed as active in the machine's view. Traffic and ACLs resume as before, so there's nothing extra you need to change if everything was working previously. If you find yourself repeating this process frequently on a trusted machine, like a server you manage closely, you can prevent these interruptions by disabling key expiry for that device. From the admin console, open the Machines page, click the device, and choose Disable Key Expiry. This keeps the device's key from expiring automatically, reducing maintenance on stable infrastructure. Use this option thoughtfully. It's best for machines that are well secured, monitored, and not shared broadly. If your device posture changes later, you can always re-enable expiry or rotate keys as part of your standard security hygiene. That's it. You've extended an expired key, re-authenticated the device, and learned how to disable key expiry for trusted systems to avoid repeat interruptions.